Hello everyone, in this video we will see what are the different methods to find the last row and last column in your Excel file. Let me go to my Excel file to show you the practical example. So, suppose this is your data sheet and here you want to find the last row and last column for your Excel file. Let me write a macro to find it. I will start by declaring the macro name, and we will use and property to find the last row here. So if the cells rows dot count one dot and xlf dot row and store this value in range h2. If I run this macro, it gives us the last filled value is 23. Similarly, we can also use current region property to find the last row. Store the value in H3, then range A1 current region dot rows dot count also give you the same answer. But if we have a blank spaces in your data sheet, on your data we have a blank spaces and we run the macro again, you're going to see we have different values in both the methods. The first methods give us the correct answer because it uses the property and. If we have a blank spaces, then we should always use first method. If we don't have any blank spaces, then we can use second method also. Similarly, if you want to find the last column in the data sheet, the same end property we can use here. We will start from cells 2 comma columns columns dot count dot end cell 2 left dot columns and store this in similar range h4 values. Run the macro again. Okay, so it should be range. And run the macro again. It gives us the answer 8. The similar range column dot counts can also be replaced by simple cell referencing. For example, if I replace this value with simple 1, store it on the H5 cell, and run the macro, it gives us the wrong answer. So here I need to go to right side column and run the macro again. So it gives us the right answer. So if you have the blank value present in your rows and also in your column, I suggest you use first method for finding your last row and second and last method to finding your last column.